would say that the need to give or prioritize in identifying the objective of transitional justice as applied for Mexico. In that sense, the first thing I would say that would be key is restoring the lack of confidence and lack of public trust in Mexican institutions. We're not trusting the judges, we're not trusting police, we're not trusting prosecutors, and we basically don't believe that what they're doing on a day-to-day basis is actually contributing to solve the problems that we are facing in corruption, in human rights, or in security. Okay, the comparative perspective was particularly interesting. One of the biggest lessons, I think, in these 2 days was the idea of extraordinary justice, the idea of having trial courts specialized to deal with specific cases. Usually these sort of ideas come also from special courts for organized crime, for example, but in this case are special courts to deal with particular problems in human rights or particular issues that need a specialized way to deal with them. And I think that that's a very important lesson, and that lesson could also transfer its experience to ordinary court systems. Well, what we need to do is to have very clear expectations of what can we see from transitional justice. The need is quite clear, but expectations tend to have different ideas of what would we expect from the process. In that sense, the need is very clear because we have a humongous amount of victims all over the country from different sort of events that have to do with organized crimes, events that have to do with corruption, straightforward corruption, or events that have to do with a human rights violation by state agents. So in that sense, we need to have very clear what sort of needs there is and try to come up with the proper mechanism that will help people cope and repair their needs.